Hello guys, this is Eddie from Bryce Media and welcome to the another episode of Flutter SDK tutorial. After a long interval, I'm here to talk about the Flutter SDK. In the last episode, we just learned to install the Flutter SDK, configure the development environment and install the plugin to Android Studio. So in the last episode, we did it in Windows environment. If you guys have stuck into the Mac OS and any query about it, let's write in the comment and I'll try to help you guys. So in this part of Flutter SDK tutorial, we are going to know more about Flutter and some of its features. So I hope you will enjoy this episode. So let's begin. The starting, I want to start from the what is Flutter. As the official website of Flutter explains, Flutter is a mobile software development kit which is developed by Google. As I know, it's a tough competitor of Facebook React Native. Already it was introduced a little bit later than React Native. We may have lots of feature on it, so we will explore it in the later episode. It's a complete development framework along with widgets and tools that gives developer an easy way to build and deploy visually attractive fast mobile apps on both Android and iOS platforms using a single code base. So that means the main feature of Flutter, you can run this single code in both Android and iOS platform. So let's talk about the what Flutter actually is. So Flutter does not use any tech stack like React Native, means it doesn't use any HTML, CSS, Java, or JSX. As we already talked that Flutter is single code based SDK which produces apps on both Android and iOS using the programming language Dart. So here we need to know the another programming language Dart. The best part of the Flutter is high performance apps and hot reloading. So we'll discuss about the hot reloading and high performance in upcoming episode. So we talk about the Dart programming language. So what is Dart? That is an object-oriented language. It supports object-oriented programming features like classes, interface, etc. Which is originally developed by Google and later approved as standard by CMA. So it had lots of packages already released, so it's not up to we can use those packages for development. If you go to the page of Dart programming language, www.dartlang.org, you can get much more information about. And another one good part of that is it is also used as a part to work on UI, and that is based on C, so its execution speed is fast enough. So there may be some question that should I learn Dart? So here I can't suggest on this topic because programmer always choose the language based on their requirement. So it's not compulsory to learn any language in a specific. That is being developed for very good reason. It's the idle language for a team of engineers such as those in Google to work with for creating complex applications. So developer community for the Dart is little, but it has a wonderful documentation. There are many news that Dart is used more widely by Google developer. It aims to be all what JavaScript can't be, a consistent, well thought, and optimizable language for the internet. So, what is inside the Flutter SDK? Let's talk about that. So, it's a heavily optimized and it's a mobile first 2D rendering engine with excellent support for text. So, it have a modern React style framework. Uh, Reset of widgets for Android and iOS, APIs for unit and integration tests, intro and plugin, APIs to connect to the system and third-party SDKs, Edlet test runner for running test on Windows, Linux, and Mac. So command line tools for creating, building, testing, and compiling your apps. These are the major feature inside the Flutter SDK. So just talk about the what is wicket. So during development period, you will see lots of wicket, and we'll use them every time. So that will be your best way to understand about it. Here, Flutter wicket are the unified object model, or you can say main building blocks or user interface or it's on everything you work on design are wicket. Means all of the design components, like other framework that separate views, views controllers, layouts, and other properties. Flutter has a consistent unified object model that is not wicket. For example, you can say text, row, column, stack, container, etc. So we get describe what their views will look like given their current configuration and state, and we get our hierarchy based on composition. So I want to stop here. Hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and get some useful information about Flutter. In the next episode, we will start to work on apps development. That will really help to understand our say anything left here. So keep in touch. Thank you guys, and do not forget to share and subscribe. Keep watching, keep coding. Have a nice day. Thank you.